Today we are doing tags 19, 20, and 21. Here's 19, a quick look. It's a coin envelope. 20 is a layered pocket tag. And 21 is a hinged tag. All right, I hope you join me to continue our 25 days of Christmas tags. Hello, I'm Cara Brandon of Cara Brandon Creations, and we've been busy making our Christmas tags. If you haven't already, I'd love for you to hit the like button and the subscribe button and join us for our fun crafty times here on the channel. All right, let's jump in. Okay, let's hop in with tag 19, which is a coin envelope. And I'm going to go ahead and glue it closed. I've already inked and scored. And then a little glue down here. And then we want to make sure that this will fit. Oh, it's perfect. Let's see, what do we want on the front? How about we add some fabric? I think I might have used this in the last one. I love this plaid. If you bought the Christmas palette kit, you have a plaid in that kit too that could be used. It's kind of fun to mix up the textures. Sorry, I've been a bit off, well, quite a bit off with my posting schedule. I'm hoping once the holidays have passed, it will get back to normal. It's just been a little crazy. There we go. I want it behind, so I'm going to trim it here. Just like that. I'm kind of confused by this number, but I swear it's day 19, but I'm confused. But I'm still going to glue it on. All right, there we go. And then like this could be our closure. I'm going to glue the bottom half. Let's add a little topper to this so it's easy to pull out of the envelope. I did not print on the back. I think we'll add a scrap of fabric. And maybe a ticket. Just for a little something behind in the back. Alright, then we can put this back in here. And close this up. A couple of these. Oh, just a little bling. Okay, tag 20 is a layered tag. Let's go ahead and glue these pockets on. So right here. And then we'll do the next one in the middle. Just like that. And then we also have a tab. I want to put it on your tag. It'll be kind of fun right there. I bought, where is it? I bought a brand new stamp set. I was needing Christmas phrases with small text, and I bought this. Of course, it's Tim Holtz. Tiny Text Christmas. So maybe one of these would work. And I kind of have to judge because it doesn't match where the end of the tag or the words are. Kind of like that other set, which is a little funky. But it's nice that it's all cut in strips. Yeah, that's perfect. Should I do both sides? Yeah. Perfection. I guess I don't need both sides if I'm gonna put it right here. Something a little different than what I usually do. Yeah, that's cute. Wish I had another one to put right there. I guess I could have cut this in half and then stamped a different sentiment on the other side. Didn't think of that until I already glued her on. We could put 20 sticking up. Yeah, let's do that. Well, how about this? We could put, yeah, let's do that. We're going to put some of this little plant right there. And then the number 20. Yeah, a little different. And then we have these buttons. Kind of put in a cluster down here. Nope, that's cute. And then I think I'm going to put these on as the toppers. This one to go here. And this one can go here. We're getting close to the end of our tags. I was wondering if you'd like me to do a video using up our scraps and our little bits that we've set aside, maybe like a cluster builder thing. Let me know in the comments if you would like a wrap it up kind of video like that, where we use up our bits and pieces and scraps and different ephemera. All right, so here is 20, really cute. All right, let me go grab 21. All right, tag 21. And tag 21, I did print the background, but it didn't print all the way to the top. So I'm going to disguise that with a little bit of lace right on the side right here. I think that would look good. No one will be the wiser. I mean, you can still tell, but I think it hides it pretty well. A little trim, a little trim. All right. So now this, so it's like a hinge tag. I'm not sure what we want to call it. And I think I'm going to make this a belly band for this tag. So let's go ahead and glue this on. I'll try and stick to as close to the edge as I can. Just like that. Give that a second to dry. On the front of this tag, I'm going to have the girl and her dog. So cute. Make sure his little tail is glued on. So cute. And then could have made this. I guess I could still make this a little tuck spot. Let's see. But on the front, we have this piece, or we can put this. Merry Christmas. I think I'm going to do this one. And then put this stamp down here. And I think put the number in this corner. What is it today? I'm doing lots of diagonals. All right, and then let's see if this will slide. Yep, perfect. We could put this here, or this in the center, and make this a second belly band. Let's do that. All right, and let's see. I have this piece. I think this is from the Santa ephemera, I think. And that can slide right there. Cute. And then if you want a closure, you can do a little paper clip. There we go. Okay, so we have, I'm not sure why it looks like that, 19, 20, and 21. Awesome. Okay, join me. I'm pretty sure the video will be Thursday for the last tags, 22 through 25. And again, let me know if you want to do a wrap up with scraps and all that good stuff. All right, as always, I hope you have a wonderfully crafty day. Bye-bye.